This video is sponsored by Copenhagen Grooming. More about them later. What's up guys, welcome back to Bugs Entertainment. In today's video, we're going to be doing three things. I'm going to be showing you guys the three most important factors you need to know if you want a beard. After this video, you'll have a better idea on the trimming, the lining, and the process to keeping a healthy beard. Whether you can grow a full beard or not, like any form of grooming, you need to take time and maintain it. The three factors can take your beard from looking scruffy, dry, not tamed at all like this guy, to this. My beard has been properly trimmed, lined, and washed whilst taking the proper precautions all done at home. Now without further ado, let's get right into it. First on the list, trimming. Before you can trim a beard, you need to take time to grow it out. I'm talking growing the beard past the awkward scruffy stage into an actual beard 2 centimeters in length minimum. This should take at least 3 to 4 weeks depending on the person. Now, the trimming isn't as simple as getting the trimmer and going over it all in one length. The beard can give you epic face shape, and in order to achieve that, you need to do it properly. Now, I've created a model face, and these guidelines should give you an idea on where and how much to cut. I start off with region A. I bring my trimmer to a number 4 and I trim downwards. The idea here is to create a jawline. So I start off with the beard hairs being very small, and then I bring it higher as I go down. So for region B, I go up to a 5, and region C is a guard level of 8. Now it's crucial to trim in a downwards motion with the grain of the hairs to ensure an even cut. Making my way down my face to region D, I bring the guard down to a 6. As you can see, the jawline is slowly being created. The back of my jaw is longer and it narrows down as you come down the regions. Since I'm trying to narrow my jaw out, region E is being trimmed to a number 4. Now to complete the jaw structure, I want my chin to be longer to create that narrowed structure. So I bring the guard back up to an 8 at the chin region F. Now I like to keep my mustache short, so I trim that at a 4. And everything below my jawline in region G, I trim down at a guard level of 5 to keep the double chin hidden. Now as you can see right now, my beard is looking better, and I know it's a little complicated, but if you have a round face like me, a beard trimmed at the same level all around will look like this, a round face. Alright, now number 2 on the list, it's the lining of the beard. You can't just trim your beard and stop. You gotta finish the job. Right now, my beard is already lined up from about a week ago, and that's the beauty of lining up a beard. Once you do it once, you just have to follow the guidelines later. But say we have a beard that isn't lined up yet. Starting off with the cheeks, the goal is to create an imaginary line connecting your ear to the end of your mouth. I keep a straight line, but some people like a little curve. Now, the stash, I get rid of that part connecting into the nostrils, and I follow that line to my beard. Now, I also like getting rid of my friends hanging over my lip by following the outline of my lip. Okay, now onto the neckline. My bearded friends, this is important. You want to take your finger and create a line 1.5 inches away from the jawbone. Now, following that line will give you the completed jawline. If you create the line too high up, all your chin fat will be exposed, and if your line is too low, your jawline will disappear under all that hair. Kind of like this guy. Now, if you want to live on the edge, you got to take it to the next level. You can go over everything you did with a straight edge razor. I have a video describing how to use the razor in detail, but in short, you need to stretch your skin and come at your skin at an angle. Using a shaving cream will also allow for a smooth shave. Now, before we head on to the next factor, it's important to note that not all styles will work for you. My jawline is non-existent, so I go for a style that can provide me with a fake one, I guess. Now, some guys rock goatees or beard stubble, but that wouldn't work for me because my jawline is poor and that'll get exposed. But if you got a crimson chin, you could rock the stubble or goatee. The key is to choose the right style meant for you. Alright, now that we're done crafting your beard, how do you want to maintain it? Keep it healthy, refreshed, swagged out. I know too many guys who use their hair shampoo or conditioner on their beards, and I know I did that too, but that is not the way. You need to invest in beard maintenance products because they have what the beard needs. Introducing Copenhagen Grooming. I've been using their beard care set for about 2 months now, and I can tell you that I am more than satisfied. Now they have the 8 AM splash, which acts as a beard cleanser. This is filled with pro vitamin B5, which moisturizes, regenerates, and also protects the skin. Dispensing a couple pumps into an already wet beard, then lathering gets the job done, and it smells amazing, so that's a bonus. Okay, so now I don't use this every day as washing a beard that often can dry it out. However, if you're an individual who gets quite dirty every day and need to wash it, obviously do what you gotta do, but all I ask is that you oil your beard directly after your wash. Now CG provides its Beard Hero. Applying a little to your hands and massaging into the roots and ends of the beard keeps the water and moisture within the beard, allowing it to breathe. Just like when people use shampoo, the conditioner used after locks in the moisture and oils lost from the shampoo. Now the Beard Hero does the same. Alright, now if you want to go the extra mile, you can use CG's Cruise Control. This contains organic shea butter and allows you to shape and hold your beard, and in my case, helping achieve the shape for a better jawline. The Cruise Control works best on longer beards as they are more durable to shape. And finally, the Beard Care set also includes this dope keychain comb, and I think it's really cute. It keeps me combed on the go. And that, my friends, is it. I've been using CG's beard care products for 2 months now, and it's been a great experience. Now, what I've learned over the past few years is beard care is no joke. Having a beard isn't enough to give you a swag beard. You gotta tame it, moisturize it, talk to it, be there for it when it needs you the most. Thanks again CG for sponsoring this video. I'm leaving all their information in the description box down below. Now you guys can also use my discount code for 10% off of your order. Nope, sorry, I'm gonna pump up those numbers to 15%, not 10, but 15. This is live for a year. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Anyways, this is Bugs.